different gold here. It's actually a little bit more shiny than the one that is on than the airbrush color. So a little lemon in here. Ooh, might be a little too much lemon. Mix that up. And even down here. Okay, and then we'll do the front. The buttons. Isn't that pretty? Just highlighting the top. See the red underneath. Oh, how's that? Is that pretty? The big blob. So I guess I'm going to show you how to get rid of that. Do gold around here. Down this strip, which I had already done the other side. Hey, the glasses. And then I'm going to do the top of this. Can never have enough gold. Okay, so this front part, let me get a clean brush here. And I'm going to have to come in and I just wipe that off. And I'll do a little bit, highlight the pocket a bit. Okay, gold, gold, gold. We're good on the gold, I think. And then we'll go back to the copper. And I want to get some of this off the brush. And whoa. Oh! Wow. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to fix that. Whoa! Okay, I was going to highlight the wings a little on this with this kind of like what I've done here on the crown maybe. And that's what I did down here. I had started it, and this morning, this morning when I started this, I said I was going to highlight some of this. So the gold underneath, copper on top. Got my glue gun heating up to put some ribbon around the edge. So you just want to try to skim the top area. Okay, and why don't I do, it needs a little copper up here somewhere. Where's the piece that fell? Okay, so this is the faucet that fell earlier. Take the water brush and clean it up around there. Okay, what a bummer. Fix some mistakes. This one's going to be a little harder because it's not smooth. There we go. Okay, so let me kind of check things out, clean that up.